Hi there, Doug here again from Black Sun Mortgage, here to talk about a financial tour of the property you just finished viewing at 128-30930 Westridge Place in Abbotsford. Before we get into that, let's talk a little bit about qualifying for a mortgage. You can always contact a mortgage broker or your bank to talk to them about qualifying for a mortgage. Without taking an application, here's some simple considerations you can think of, and I've simplified this so much that it's insane. It may be too simplified, but here is something really quick at a glance to do. We assume you have good credit, which is 680 Beacon or more. You have no other liabilities, there's no credit card debt, and there's no car payments. But who are we kidding? People have car payments, people have credit card debt. But I'm just assuming you don't have that. You don't have credit card debt, you pay it off each month, and your car's paid for. Assuming good credit, no other liabilities, not including any property taxes and not including monthly condo fees, the formula goes 20,000 gross annual income equals approximately 100,000 in mortgage. Given that formula, if you have 100,000 in annual household income, you would qualify for approximately a $500,000 mortgage. Now remember, this is a very simple formula to get an idea for qualification. That's it. Very simple, no other liabilities. That's how this works. Well, let's talk about the property itself. It's listed for $984,900, and we're going to talk about 5% down, 10% down, and 20% down. 5% down on this is $49,245. That gives you a first mortgage of $935,655. The insurance premium on that is $37,426.20. And so the total mortgage you would get is $973,081.20. Your monthly payment is $5,348.13. The income to qualify for that is $223,705. Now remember, the qualifying income for that is $265,959. When I say qualifying income, I mean what the bank qualifies you at. The bank qualifies you at a benchmark rate of 5.25%, or the posted rate plus 2 points, whichever's higher. And right now, the posted rate plus 2 points is higher than the 5.25 benchmark. And so you're being qualified at 6.39%. 10% down on this property is $98,490. A first mortgage of $886,410. Your insurance premium is 3.1%, which adds $27,478.71 to the mortgage. You have a total loan of $913,888.71. Your monthly payment is $5,022.50. So the income to qualify for that is $211,555, and the qualifying income under the benchmark rate is $251,239. Now let's talk about 20% down on this. That's $196,900 on this. Your first mortgage would be $787,920. Your monthly payment is $4,330.47. There is no insurance premium on the mortgage because 20% down is considered conventional. And because it's conventional, you're only qualifying for this mortgage with an income of $190,243. You have property transfer tax when you go into a property. It's 1% on the first $200,000 and then 2% on the remaining balance up to $2 million and including $2 million. And then of course the property transfer tax does go beyond that, but because this property is under $1 million, we'll just consider these two figures. The property transfer tax for this property is $17,698. This is an amount that is added to your down payment because this you cannot add to a mortgage. One of the largest costs that you will have is your down payment and the property transfer tax. with 5% down, $49,245, and the property transfer tax, $17,698, you'll be walking into the notary's office with a check for $66,943. At 10% down, you'll be walking in with $116,188. With 20% down, you'll be walking in there with $214,598. At the lawyer's office, they do convey the property, and part of that conveyancing is collecting your down payment plus your mortgage amount, and then they will do an adjustment on the property taxes, on the condo fees, if there's condo fees, any other costs that the notary has, would be their cost, and all the disbursements that they have. So the lenders usually say you should hold aside 1.5% of the purchase price for any closing costs or any surprises you might have at closing. I hope this helped you today and that you learned a little bit more about financing this property. If you have any more questions, you can email me. If you enjoy these finance tours, you can like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for the next one. And I will see you at the next one. Bye.